So coronavirus. Let's talk about COVID-19 for a second. So I didn't study abroad during COVID-19, but I can understand that it's a really crazy and unpredictable time to be uprooting your life and moving across the world. So a lot of places in the UK are going in and out of lockdown pretty much on a monthly basis at this point. So it is super unpredictable. So it's really important to be staying up to date on UK news and going to the UK government website to make sure you know what you're getting yourself into. There's also going to be procedures at the border once you enter the UK and a lot more self-isolation, obviously, as you enter the country. You also need to fill out a form called a passenger locator form. Basically, this is something that'll be logged in with the government where you provide your personal details, passport details, your flight information, and where you'll be staying. This is to track you just in case someone you have been in contact with has coronavirus, or if you catch coronavirus, they can contact people that you've been in contact with. And this is a form that you should keep in PDF form as well as a printed form. You should keep all of your travel documents just in a folder in your carry-on, just so you can have them once you reach the border, just in case someone at Border Patrol asks to see them. They'll have them already in their system, but they may ask you to produce them once you're in customs. As far as self-isolation, once you get to the UK, definitely, once again, check the government website and see where your country is on the list of countries that need to self-isolate. There are some instances where you can order a test before you arrive in the UK so that you don't have to self-isolate for that long. But just know that if you break the rules, there can be fines that are extremely expensive, like up to £10,000, and you really do not want to be paying those prices, especially as a student when you don't really have a lot of money to start with. There's so many services nowadays where you can get contactless delivery on delivery, your groceries, so definitely make a list of those kind of apps and make sure that your cards work while you're abroad, because if you have a credit card and you go to pay for something to get delivered to your accommodation and the card doesn't go through, that would be really unfortunate. It's also really important to be keeping your mental health in check. It is very stressful to be isolated, especially when you just get to a new country and you're in a completely new environment and you're by yourself. There are free, confidential, and anonymous text services like Shout you can use to talk to someone if you're really struggling with your mental health. I know they've helped a lot of students in the UK during this time. So if you need help with your mental health while you're abroad, you can use those kinds of free services to help keep your mental health in check.